This video is going to be about the adjectives beau, nouveau, and vieux, and how you change them and make agreement with them. Now, they're adjectives in French. Beau meaning beautiful or handsome, depending on which gender it is. Vieux, old, and nouveau, new. So, as I said, they are irregular adjectives, and so they change very differently. They change spelling when, depending on what you are using them to describe. So that's why we have the special video about them, because they don't follow the regular rules that most adjectives follow. So here we go. So talking about beau. Now this is for a masculine singular that starts with a consonant. All right. Now this is only with masculine do you have to make this kind of agreement. If the noun that you are describing starts with a consonant, then it's different than if it starts with a vowel. And I'll show you some examples of that in a little bit after we go over the different agreements. Okay, so masculine singular, it starts with a vowel with a consonant. It is beau, B-E-A-U. If it's masculine singular and starts with a vowel, it is belle, B-E-L. If it's masculine plural, beau, and it has an X on the end. Feminine singular, belle, B-E-L-L-E. Feminine plural, belle, B-E-L-L-E-S. All right, so like I said, with the feminine, it doesn't matter whether the noun starts with a vowel or with a consonant. It is the same. So next is vieux. For masculine, singular starts with a consonant. Vieux, V-I-E-U-X. For masculine, singular starts with a vowel. Vieil, V-I-E-I-L. Masculine, plural. Vieux, V-I-E-U-X. Feminine singular, vieille, V-I-E-I-L-L-E. Feminine plural, vieille, V-I-E-I-L-L-E-S. Now for nouveau, when it is masculine singular starts with a consonant, nouveau, N-O-U-V-E-A-U. When it's masculine singular starts with a vowel, nouvelle, N-O-U-V-E-L. Masculine plural, nouveau, N-O-U-V-E-A-U-X. Feminine singular, nouvelle, N-O-U-V-E-L-L-E. And feminine plural, nouvelle, N-O-U-V-E-L-L-E-S. All right, so they change depending on the noun that you're using that they are modifying. Now, beau, nouveau, and vieux, like I've said, they are irregular adjectives. All right, we just went over how they changed based on what they're describing. And because they're irregular, they are placed differently in a sentence. Now, normally, we remember from my other video about adjectives, adjectives normally come after the noun that they modify. But in this case, with beau, nouveau, and vieux, they enter into the bags category, where they're irregular, and therefore they come in front of the noun that they modify, which is why it's why they have that special clause where if the noun starts with a vowel or with a consonant in masculine, then you have to change the spelling. So let's do some examples here with beau, nouveau, and vieux. All right, so beau, we're going to use, let's use the word for a plane, okay, which is avion. Now, if we're going to describe this, avion is masculine. It's un avion. So it's masculine, and we're going to just use beau to describe it. We look at the word avion. Okay, I'm going to erase the article here. Look at avion. It is masculine, and it starts with a vowel. And it's singular. So we're going to use to describe it, belle. Un bel avion. Because of the fact that it's masculine and starts with a vowel. Now let's talk about, we're going to do an example for nouveau. Nouveau, we're going to talk about une bicyclette. All right, word for a bicycle, one of our two possibles. Bicyclette is feminine. Okay, it ends with an E. It's feminine. So we're going to use nouveau to describe bicyclette. We're going to make it plural. So it's plural and it's feminine. Therefore, we use nouvelle. And the nouvelle comes before bicyclette. Des nouvelles bicyclettes. Now, vieux. We're going to use for this one grand-père, which is grandfather. Now it is masculine, it is singular, and it starts with a consonant. So the form that we use, vieux. So there are a couple examples. Belle, okay, the word is masculine, starts with a vowel, so we use belle. Bicyclette, feminine, plural, nouvelle. Grand-père, masculine, singular, starts with a consonant, so we use vieux. And as I said, you have to remember that all these adjectives, all three of them, they enter into this bags category: beauty, age, greatness, size. So they must come before the item that they are modifying. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask me before, during, or after class. You can also email me to ask me questions, or maybe make a comment in the video below. Watch this video as many times as you need to get this down for your grammar test and to use it on your written assessments as well as speaking assessments. And I will see you in class.